Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So how you are doing? Now I think you are enjoying your student life because the college has reopened and you know how to study. So when you are going college, you are meeting friends, meeting new lectures. So you are enjoying. With that, now you came to know that how trigonometry is so simple and so easy. And I know that I will give you I will give a promise. I will make the trigonometry very simple. See, already we completed the exercise. Now we are moving to the miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3. In that we have a 10 questions. I will solve 5 questions in one class and 5 questions in another class. See that first question. For all we have prove that first question. 2 into cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 is equal to 0. Yes. The sum is very simple. Start with left side LHS and wherever necessary I will go on giving you the formula list also. Already you are familiar with the formulas. See here 2 into cos of pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. For these two I am applying sin cos C plus cos D. For which two? For these two. I am applying cos C plus cos D. I will give you the formula also. On the side I will give you the formula. Have you remembered? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 into cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Transformation formula. So, first two term as it is. First term cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 as it is plus in the bracket 2 into cos, this is C and this is D, 3 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13 divided by 2. This is cos C plus cos D formula into cos 3 pi by 13 minus 5 pi by 13 whole upon 2. Cos C minus D by 2. Now completing the square bracket. 2 into cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2 cos 3 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13 is 8 pi by 13 and upon 2. How you will write? 8 pi by 13 upon 2 means that comes here. Correct or not? Into cos 3 minus 5 is 2 and negative minus 2 pi by 13 into 2. Correct or not? This 2 and 2 get cancels. Here 2 and 4 get cancels. It is 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2 into cos 4 pi by 13 and it is of in the form of cos of minus theta. Outside, inside we have a minus. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So it is cos pi by 13. See what we can take common? We can take common 2, here 2 and cos pi by 13. So I marked I did the underline. That means we can take that as a common. Write down that common terms. This is 2 into cos pi by 13 in the bracket cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Again in the form of cos C plus cos D. It is 2 cos pi by 13 in the bracket 2 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus 4 pi by 13 divided by 2 into cos 9 pi by 13 minus 4 pi by 13 whole divided by 2, and that completes the bracket. That is the formula. See, now what we have to write? 9 plus, their LCM is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 divided by 13, they get cancelled, pi is remaining. And this 2 becomes 4. Cos pi by 13, this is pi. 13 get cancelled, so you are getting cos, and this 2. Pi by 2, and this is cos of 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 pi by 13 into 2. But here it is a cos 90. So it is 4 into cos pi by 13. Cos 90 is what? 0 into cos 5 pi by 26. In a product, if one number is 0, then whole terms become 0. That is RHS. In a product, if one number is 0, then that product will be 0. Moving to the next question, second one. Again in the same category, all the common heading it is prove that. Question is sin 3x plus sin x bracket complete sin x plus in the bracket cos 3x minus cos x bracket complete cos x is equal to 0. Here also the question is same, prove that. So let us start with the left side. Write down the LHS. Sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. Remove the bracket. Take sin 3x inside the bracket. It is sin 3x into sin x, and this is sin x into sin x is sin square x plus cos 3x into cos x minus cos square x. See here these two terms are different, these two terms are different. I am rearranging this. First I am writing cos 3x into cos x plus sin 3x into sin x, and now I am writing first cos square x minus cos square x plus sin square x. See, I think you are remembered in the starting of trigonometry in the first year when you are learning the geometrical representation, we derived this formula or what? Cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. With the help of this we derived one more formula. Cos x minus y is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. See, it is exactly, this formula is exactly in this form or what? Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y, that is cos of 3x minus x. And here multiples and submultiple. For cos 2x we have a formula cos square x minus sin square x, but it is reverse. Take minus common. To get that required, take minus common. This is cos square x minus sin square x. Next 3x minus x is 2x, cos 2x, and this is the formula of cos 2x. See, they get cancels or what? Yes, and the answer is 0. That is nothing but RHS. Moving to the third question. Third is interesting question, important as well as interesting. If you are thorough in the formula, easily you can solve. Third one, prove that. Same question, prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y divided by 2. See here, I will show you two methods. For the same problem I will explain in two methods. First one, as usual I will write the LHS. First write on the LHS. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. First I am applying cos c plus cos d and sin c minus sin d. I will write both the formula. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Next one is sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So I gave a formula, now apply that. Under bracket, outside whole square is there. 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 into cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 whole square. Understood? Now take a square for each term separate. This is 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into cos square x minus y by 2 plus 2 square cos square x plus y by 2 into sin square x minus y by 2. What is common? 2 square. Here also 2 square. This is 2 square. I wrote 4. 4 we can take common and one more term we can take common. Which term? Cos square x plus y by 2 common. What is remaining? Cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2 is remaining. And is it 1 or what? Yes. 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into 1 is remaining. So the final answer is 2 cos square x plus y by 2. That is nothing but RHS. So this is a one method, first method. In the second method, write on the again LHS. Start with LHS. See, it is in the form of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here I am rearranging this. Cos square x plus sin square x, this term. Then cos square y plus sin square y, next terms. Then from here I took 2 common, plus 2 in the bracket, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So already you are familiar. What is cos square x plus sin square x identity, trigonometric identity? This and this term. Cos square x plus sin. See, already you are familiar. Cos square x plus sin square x is what? 1. This term. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Here cos square y plus sin square y is 1. Plus 2 common, and for that bracket term it is cos of x plus y. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 cos x plus y. 2 common in the bracket, 1 plus cos x plus y. Now we are familiar with multiples and submultiple. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, and I told you the principle behind this formula. Whatever is angle, angle becomes half. It is 2 into cos square x plus y by 2. So final answer is 4 cos square x plus y by 2, and that is nothing but RHS. See, is it simple or what? Yes, the sum is very simple. Now moving to the fourth one. Fourth is also similar to this. And here I will explain one method. The remaining another method I will give you as a homework. The next question is fourth one. Again in that prove that only. Cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 sin square x minus y by 2. So start with the LHS. I will explain. As I told you, there are two methods. First I will explain one method, and for the second one I will give as a homework for the students. Write down the LHS. Cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. See the formula. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So in the bracket 2 cos minus 2 sin minus 2 sin c minus d by 2 into sin c plus d by 2 whole square plus 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 whole square. Take a square. Minus 2 square becomes 4. Sin square x minus y by 2 into sin square x plus y by 2 plus 4 cos square x plus y by 2 sin square x minus y by 2. What we can take common? See, we can take common as a sin square x minus y by 2. 4 sin square x minus y by 2 common. In the bracket sin square x plus y by 2 plus cos square x plus y by 2, and this answer is 1. It is 4 sin square x minus y by 2 into 1, that is nothing but 4 sin square x minus y by 2, that is RHS. So another method I will give as a homework. Moving to the next question. That is question number 5. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. So before thinking, first I will write the left side. As it is, first I will write the left side. LHS sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x. Yes students, now just use your common knowledge. Here when you add 3 plus 5 8 and 7 plus 1 8. So just depending on that I did the grouping. Sin 7x plus sin x as a one grouping plus, and if possible try to write the bigger angle as a first, sin 3x. Now which formula? Sin c plus sin d. Have you remembered sin c plus sin d formula? Yes. Sin c plus sin d. 2 into sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus, here also we have the same thing, plus 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2, and I think now you are familiar with the formula, I will rub that, into cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. 2 into, simplify this, sin 7 plus 1 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4x, into cos 7 minus x is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3x, plus 2, this is sin 4x into cos x. So what we can take common? We can take 2 sin 4x as a common, in the bracket cos 3x plus cos x. Now apply the formula cos c plus cos d. Have you remembered cos c plus cos d? Already I gave that. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. It is 2 into sin 4x into 2 cos 3x plus x divided by 2 into cos 3x minus x divided by 2. Here 3x plus x is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and this 2 and this 2 becomes 4. Sin 4x, this is cos 2x into cos x. See, is it a required answer or what? If you want, you can rearrange whatever they are asking in that way. Cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. That is nothing but RHS. In a miscellany exercise on chapter 3, we have a total 10 questions and I solved 5 questions. In the remaining 5, I will explain in the next class.